Leaders are responsible for two critical components of organization that jointly drive their effectiveness as leaders. Do you know what these are? Do you know that leaders must enact two behaviors that drive employees' creativity and discretionary efforts? Are you convinced that a leader can simultaneously care for people, obtain superior performance, and maintain high-quality relationships with employees? Leaders can take care of people, and the people will not take advantage of them. But how? Join me at my inaugural lecture on September 19th, 2025, 2:30 p.m. at Lagos Business School, as I take you through a journey that will unravel the care of people and organizational productivity. In this discussion, you will learn why some leadership development programs fail to achieve their aim because they demand from people who they are not.